In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the basics of how to use the flashlight function on your Suunto 7 smartwatch. Now this watch runs on Google Wear OS, so some of the things I'm going to be showing you might be pretty common with other watches that run on Google Wear OS. They're all going to have the same functionality, but different watches will allow for different things, and we're going to see that as we go into this. Now if you read the Suunto 7 manual, it's going to tell you to turn on your watch face and swipe down from the top and click on flashlight. You'll notice by looking at my watch that is not an option, so I'm assuming that their manual is just out of date. I'm going to show you the way you can get to the flashlight. There's a couple different ways, and then you got to know that there's also apps and watch faces that you can download that will give you a shortcut to the flashlight. I'm not going to show you that here. I'm just going to show you the basic functionality. The top left button will always take you to your app wheel. If we press that, one of the options in here is going to be your flashlight. So you can simply swipe up or swipe down until you see the flashlight, and if you click on it, it'll simply turn on your flashlight. Now, unfortunately on this watch, there's no settings. There's some Google Wear OS devices I've seen before that you can dim the flashlight. On the Suunto 7, it's a simple on or off. So let's go ahead and go back. That's one of the ways. That way will always be there for you. The other thing you can do is you can actually customize either the middle right button or the bottom right button to be your flashlight button, and I'll show you how to do that. We need to go into our settings. There's a few different ways to go into the settings. We can swipe down from the top, choose the settings icon, or again, settings will be in your app wheel. If we press that, we can simply choose settings. Under settings, you can go to personalization, and under personalization, you're going to have the option for customize hardware buttons, and then you're going to have two options you can touch, either the center right or the bottom right. Let's go ahead and click bottom right, and we will change that from stopwatch to flashlight. Now, if we press the bottom right button, it will turn on our flashlight. Press it again, it doesn't turn it off. You have to use the touchscreen to turn it off. Pretty simple stuff. Those are the two basic ways through your settings that you can get to your flashlight. Again, there's watch faces you can go look for that'll give you quick options from your screen that you can do it. I hope the video helps.